the sin, 'cause there's a limit to the sky.